Ever wonder if you're using ChatGPT like a Ferrari stuck in first gear? Most people are out here asking it for dad jokes and email drafts when this thing could probably run their entire lives. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and doesn't steal your snacks. Yep, that's ChatGPT. But here's the kicker. It can do way more than you think. Like solving problems so complex even your spreadsheet would cry. Stick around, and I'll show you how to make ChatGPT your ultimate secret weapon. Temporary chat. Your incognito mode. Ever wished for an incognito mode in ChatGPT? Enter temporary chat mode. This feature allows you to have private, unrecorded conversations. Imagine working on a sensitive business proposal or brainstorming proprietary ideas without worrying about leaving a digital trail. Temporary chat ensures that whatever you discuss stays off the record. It won't show up in your history, won't contribute to model training, and won't be stored in your memories. To activate it, navigate to the model list and click Temporary Chat. Businesses can use this feature to safeguard intellectual property, and individuals can enjoy a clutter-free experience for those one-off queries, like calculating a quick budget or clarifying a technical concept. Not only does this streamline your sidebar, but it also creates a more focused and worry-free experience when dealing with private matters. Quick search. Finding old conversations made easy? We've all been there, struggling to locate a previous chat, remembering vague details but not the title or date. ChatGPT's quick search feature is a lifesaver in such scenarios. Simply type relevant keywords into the search bar located at the top left, or use the shortcut command +K, Mac, or Control+K, Windows, to pull up a search window. This tool goes beyond just finding titles. It scans snippets of conversations to give you the exact chat you need. For instance, if you had a conversation about market trends but can't recall the specifics, typing market trends will instantly pull up relevant results. Power users in research, writing, or customer service will appreciate this feature, as it makes retrieving past insights quick and effortless. Whether you're tracking down an old recipe or revisiting a brainstorming session, Quick Search eliminates the frustration of scrolling through endless chat logs. Keyboard shortcuts. A pro's best friend. Speed and efficiency are key when navigating ChatGPT, and keyboard shortcuts can make all the difference. These shortcuts are not just for tech enthusiasts. Anyone can use them to navigate the interface faster and more effectively. Press Command+ Mac or Control+ Windows to view a full list of available shortcuts. For example, Command+Shift+C allows you to instantly copy the last response, making it easier to transfer information to emails, reports, or presentations. Similarly, Command+Shift+O opens a new chat window, and Command+Shift+S toggles the sidebar, providing a cleaner workspace for uninterrupted focus. Businesses that rely on ChatGPT for team collaborations or project management will find these shortcuts invaluable. Moreover, you can use Command+Shift+I to access custom instructions and fine-tune the AI's responses in real time. By mastering these shortcuts, you'll save valuable time and transform your ChatGPT experience into a seamless, productive workflow. Slash commands, quick actions at your fingertips. Another underrated shortcut is the /, a powerful tool for executing quick actions within a chat. Typing / in a chat opens a drop-down menu with options like generating images, performing web searches, or activating specific models. This feature is particularly useful for multitaskers who prefer keyboard commands over navigating menus. For example, if you're working on a design project and need an image, you can type /generate image followed by a description. Need updated information? Use /search web to instantly access current data. This feature saves you the hassle of switching between tools and keeps your hands on the keyboard, maintaining your productivity flow. It's especially helpful for professionals like content creators, researchers, and developers who rely on rapid, efficient inputs to meet tight deadlines. Advanced search, a game changer. ChatGPT's search functionality has seen a massive upgrade, making it a robust research tool for both casual users and professionals. Let's say you're preparing a presentation on the Roman Empire and need visual aids. Using the search bar, you can pull up historical maps and even access multiple clickable sources directly within the chat. This feature provides not only images but also links for further reading, ensuring you have comprehensive and accurate data at your fingertips. For researchers and students, this makes citing sources and gathering information much faster. Additionally, if you're unsure whether a response is up to date, you can prompt ChatGPT to search for more recent examples. For instance, asking for recent advancements in AI robotics will yield updated information, making it a valuable tool for staying current in fast-evolving industries. Memory management. Clean up the clutter. Did you know ChatGPT can remember details about you if memory is enabled? This feature adds a layer of personalization to your chats, making interactions more tailored and efficient. However, over time, it might accumulate irrelevant or outdated information. To maintain relevance, go to Profile Settings Personalization and manage your memory. For example, if ChatGPT remembers a specific recipe you once asked about or a B-roll clip you needed months ago, you can delete these entries to declutter your experience. This is particularly useful for regular users who discuss a variety of topics, from personal errands to professional projects. Businesses can benefit by ensuring only pertinent details are retained, such as ongoing projects or client preferences. By periodically clearing unnecessary memories, you keep the tool focused, responsive, and aligned with your current needs. Prompt templates. Save time and effort. If you've ever struggled to craft the perfect prompt, you'll appreciate the utility of prompt templates. HubSpot's free resource of 1,000 prompts is a game changer for tasks like marketing strategies, copywriting, and productivity hacks. These templates are categorized into sections like social media strategy, competitor analysis, and more, making it easy to find what you need. For instance, if you're launching a new product, you can use a template designed for market research, which often includes customizable fields to tailor the prompt to your specific goals. Professionals in marketing and content creation will find these templates invaluable, as they save time while delivering precise, actionable responses. Whether you're brainstorming social media posts or developing a business strategy, prompt templates make the process faster and more efficient. Custom instructions tailor your experience. Custom instructions allow you to fine-tune ChatGPT's behavior to suit your preferences. Think of this feature as giving specific directions to your AI assistant on how it should interact with you. For example, you can instruct it to avoid unnecessary disclaimers or to provide concise responses unless asked otherwise. This is especially useful for professionals who require focused, no-fluff answers. To set custom instructions, go to Settings Custom Instructions and fill out the sections with details about yourself and how you'd like ChatGPT to respond. For instance, if you're a content creator, you can specify that you prefer responses with detailed examples and data. This customization ensures that every interaction aligns with your workflow, saving time and enhancing productivity. Archive chats. Stay organized. Managing your chat history becomes crucial as you use ChatGPT more frequently. While deleting a chat removes it permanently, archiving offers a more flexible solution. Archived chats are hidden from your main view, but remain searchable, allowing you to keep your interface clean without losing valuable information. For instance, if you've wrapped up a project but want to retain the details for future reference, archiving is the way to go. You can manage these chats under Settings General Archived Chats. This feature is particularly helpful for users juggling multiple projects or managing both personal and professional conversations. By organizing your chats effectively, you create a streamlined and efficient workspace. Controlled data sharing. By default, ChatGPT's data sharing is enabled to help improve the model, but this might not be ideal for everyone. If you're working with sensitive information or proprietary data, it's essential to disable this setting. Navigate to Settings Data Controls and toggle off Improve the Model. This ensures your conversations won't be used for training purposes, offering an additional layer of privacy. For businesses, this is a crucial step in maintaining confidentiality, especially when discussing trade secrets or client information. Individuals who value privacy can also benefit by ensuring their personal data isn't shared. This simple adjustment allows you to use ChatGPT with confidence, knowing that your sensitive information remains secure. If you found these tips as mind-blowing as discovering your phone has a flashlight, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more game-changing insights, and share this video with anyone still using ChatGPT like it's 2019. Let's level up together. See you in the next one.